Samsung Inverter AC error codes C101 and C102 are related to communication failure within the system. In simple terms, this means the indoor unit and outdoor unit cannot properly exchange signals. Because of this, the system cannot operate correctly and may stop working completely. This issue is quite common in inverter systems, especially when there are wiring problems or control board issues. What are the common causes? Now let's understand the main causes behind this communication error. The most common reason is loose or damaged communication wiring between the indoor and outdoor units. Another possible cause is a faulty PCB either in the indoor unit or the outdoor unit, which interrupts signal transmission. Power supply fluctuations can also disturb communication signals. Incorrect wiring connections during installation or servicing may lead to this error. Additionally, signal interference or poor grounding can affect the communication line and trigger these error codes. What are the troubleshooting steps? To troubleshoot this issue, start by checking the communication cable continuity using a multimeter. Next, inspect all terminals and ensure there are no loose or burnt connections. Verify that the wiring is done correctly according to the manufacturer's diagram. After that, perform a complete system restart by turning off the power and switching it back on after a few minutes. Finally, check the voltage supply and ensure it is stable and within the required range. What are the solutions and recommendations? To fix this issue, replace any damaged communication cables immediately. If a PCB fault is detected, repair or replace the faulty control board. Make sure proper earthing is done to avoid signal interference. If your area has unstable power, using a voltage stabilizer is highly recommended. And for complex cases, it is always best to contact a professional technician for accurate diagnosis and repair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy to Learn Tech for more technical guides on air conditioning systems.